Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. And for today's recipe, we are going to make banana fritters or ethicayappam. And I've added the ingredients in the description box. Let's get started. So first we are going to make a batter, and for that I've taken one egg. We are going to beat it. Now we are going to add all-purpose flour or maida. Give it a mix. Add rice flour. This is to make the batter more crispier. We are going to add water. After mixing well, we are going to add sugar. You can either add sugar or sugar substitute. It's up to you. After mixing it well, we are going to add turmeric powder. This is for the color. Cumin powder. It brings out a great flavor. Cardamom powder. Black sesame seeds or till seeds. Pinch of salt. Mix everything together. After mixing for a while, and when you take up like this, you see the streaks. That's when you know your batter is ready. You can always adjust the sweet according to your taste. Now the next part for the banana fritters is we're going to use a big plantain, and I'm going to cut the ends off. And normally with the size of banana like this, I'm going to cut it into half and half. So we are going to make 4 pieces out of this. So let's peel it off. After slicing the bananas or the plantains, we are going to mix it into the batter and we're going to start to fry it. Now for the fritters, we are going to take a pan, put some oil in it and make sure the oil is hot. To make sure the oil is hot, we are going to put a little bit of the batter, and if it pops up, that means our oil is hot. And to this we are going to fry the bananas. And now I've taken the plantain or banana, dip it into the batter, and drain off the excess and put it inside the oil. After a minute, now let's flip the banana or plantain over. Cook on the other side too. After 2 minutes of frying, it's crispy on both the sides, and see the color, it's golden brown. Now we are going to remove it. Drain off the excess liquid or oil. and then put it in a tissue so that the excess oil can be drained off. Now our banana fritters or parambori is ready. Let's go for a taste test. If you look over here, you see the skin, it's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and very tasty and delicious snacks. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. And for today's cooking, we are going to make a wonderful and an amazing dish called as etike appam or banana fritters. And we are going to use a big long banana as big as this. And it's a great evening snack or a very tasty dish. And let's go ahead. Look at it. Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. And for today's recipe, we are going to make etike appam or banana fritters. And this is a great snack and it's full of bananas. We are frying the banana because when you look at the banana, it is full of banana. So it is highly rich in banana and tasty in banana. What a banana.